everybody, it's Cora from the Decorating Housewife. It's so good to see you. I hope everybody is doing well. Today I have a Dollar Tree DIY for you and you guys are gonna love it, I promise. Here it is. Is that not adorable or what? So if you're interested in learning how to make something like this, it's so easy. Stick around and I'll show you how. Well everybody, I hope you enjoyed my DIY video today and I hope I've inspired you to create something like that. Why not? It's so easy to make. And all from the Dollar Tree. Can you believe that? Look how cute that is. Anyways, I hope everyone has a great day and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.